Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about partial bill deduction in Odoo 19. So let's dive into the accounting module first. And from here, we just need to move into the configuration and choose journals. Here you can find the journal purchase and let me choose it. And we have a new field called private part account. So the purpose of this account is used to register the private parts of mixed expenses. Let's say if you want to just manage the rents or paying the bills when you're just living with different people, you may split up the bills or expenses. So in such cases, you just use the private part account. So I have just provided the private expenses over here. Once it's been set, you can just move on to the vendors and let's choose bills. So here I would like to create a new bill where my vendor is yeah Gemini Furniture, and you can provide the label. So let me add the label, and the label is let's say rent. And once it's been given over here, you can provide the account over here. As we are just managing with the expenses, you just need to use the expense account. And here you can see that in Odoo 19, we have a feature like when we just said something, Odoo automatically searches the accounts that need to be used over here. So here you can see that we have a tag called suggested. Once it's been set, you can set the quantity as well as the price. So the price is just $1,000 and the percentage of taxes that is applied is 15. Now here we have a field called professional. So professional. And if you want to just get the field, you can just move on to the settings and you can set the percentage. So here you can see that I just would like to set an expense or a deduction amount of 20% over here. Once it's been given, you can save the changes that you have made and you can move on to the journal items. So here you can see that the expense amount is actually 1000, and as we just choose a 20% of the rent, you can see that the amount will be just deducting to 800, and you can also find that so 200 will be calculated as the rent, and um, rest of 800 will be moving on to the private expense account, and we just need to apply a 15% of tax to the amount 800. So when you just apply 15% of tax to 800, you will be getting 120, and you can see that the tax paid is $30 over here. Altogether, you can find the amount will be um here it's given as the account payable as 1150, and when you just sum these amounts you will be getting the amount as 1950. Now once it's done, you can click on confirm and you can see that the bill will be moving from draft state to the posted state. Now in Odoo 19 we have the annual statement. As you just move on to the reporting, here you can find the annual statement where you can see that we can just get the balance sheet, profit and loss, as well as the trial balance. So under this, you can find that we have the current assets and everything, which means you can find all the details from here. So here you can see the liabilities um, and yeah, as you just move on here, when you just unfold this, you would be able to find different things, and this shows what are the amount that you just need to pay. So here you can find the total tax paid as well as all the amount altogether is showing over here in the balance sheet. Now as you just move on to the profit and loss, here also you can find the total amount. Actually, if you're just dealing with a fresh page, you will be able to know the separate um, amounts that's managed for each of the accounts or that is deducted. Now here, from here, you can also find the trial balance. So it shows all the amount over here. So here you can find all the tax paid. So if you want to just get the general ledger, you can just move on to the general ledger, or you can just move on to the other one. And from here, you can find that the tax paid is 30 from Gemini Furniture. And likewise, you can just move on to the general ledger of each one and you can find everything. So the partial bill deduction is one of the new feature that you can find under Odoo 19, and you can also easily get the annual statements in Odoo 19 accounting. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.